We are back. We are talking about the 3 most common ways that people monetize their show. The first was the CPM model. We decided together that one effing sucks. The second one was partnership. That one's really pretty cool. Like, that one's pretty cool. Remember Alex making $1,481.33 every single hour that he works on his podcast? Wouldn't you like that too? Or would you like something even a step better? A step better would be you selling your own services. You would sell your own coaching, your own consulting, whatever you can do, coaching masterminds for your listener. And let's imagine that you've got a product. I have one of my products is above 40,000. So the client would come to us and they would pay about 3,000. They would pay a little upfront fee. And then they would pay about $3,000 a month, and we would serve them for the 12 months. Okay. We would serve them for the next 12 months. So that ends up being more than 40,000 when you add the $3,000 a month, but times 12 plus the down payment as well, it's over 40,000. So for that package, if I get one person, just one per month, then we gross, just like you would be grossing the CPM, you would be grossing the partnership money or sponsorship money. You are also grossing, you're selling your own services. So in this case, if all I do is just sell one person, that one package, and I have other packages available that are more and less, if all I do is just sell one of those packages once a month, and I'm doing 4, 5, or 6 episodes each week. If I just sell one a month, then I make 40,000 every month, more than 40,000. So I'm doing the math. I'm doing the math right now on my phone, on my calculator, my trusty phone calculator. And I'm assuming that I do 4 episodes per week, 4 episodes a week. Now, 2 of those episodes are 10 minutes. On average, we'll just say 12 minutes on average. Let's just say 15 minutes on average, because that'll be actually easier with math. And the others are 45 minutes on average. And so I've got basically 2 hours of work each week, because I've got a 45, a 15, a 45, and a 15. I hope that's making sense. So 2 hours a week. And so I've got 17 episodes happening and almost exactly 17 hours of work. Now, if I divide $40,000 by 17 hours of work, it's $2,352.94. So let's recap. Option number 1, CPM. You can make $60-ish max, maybe $5 per episode. Let's imagine that you are doing 4 episodes a week. And so you're making, let's just say $40 a week. That's 100. And anyway, I don't want to give you too much numbers. I'm now realizing that I keep throwing out numbers, and that's going to get confusing. So I'm not going to waste my time doing all of that. Since this is an audio and I don't have something to show you, I'm just going to explain it to you. On one way, you are most likely making about $20 an hour. The next one, you're making closer to $1,000 an hour. And on the next one, you're making about $2,000 per hour. Now, for me, I'm doing 4 episodes a week. If I was only doing 1 episode a week, of course, I could quadruple that. But I don't. I want to make sure that I'm always making that. I want to make sure that I'm always bringing in at least 1 client a month, 1 new client a month. So I'm not going to waste my time only doing 4 episodes in the month. Instead, I'm going to go much more. I'm going to do, 16, 17 episodes in the month. If I do 17 episodes in a month, I'm still making $2,352.94 and per hour. And in additionally about $2,352 per episode. Now, if with that type of motivation, think about it for a second. If you were doing 4 episodes a week and you were selling one $40,000 thing per month, would you have some motivation to get behind the mic if you knew that you were going to record for about an hour and you're going to make over $2,000? It would become your favorite thing to do. you would choose to record an episode before you would go do something else that was fun. Because it's like, I can get behind the mic for just an hour and I can make $2,000. So let's recap. CPM, shitty. Partnership, pretty freaking good. Selling your own crap, your own good stuff. Hopefully nobody sells crap. Hopefully you're only selling really quality things that you've got.